Jimmy the Jet Trail Prophet. I have the daytime moon here. It's March 1st, about 2:45 in Pennsylvania. And there's a plane too. Might as well get that too. And back to the sun. And jet trail. Alright. Heading out to the pond. My lady's waiting for me, looking at me like, come on, let's go. And see another shot of the moon. Alright, gotta get going. Meet you at the pond, at the goldfish pond. Be right back. Fantail with a orange with a white tail just came up to the surface. Fantail goldfish. Wild. I don't see the schools that I saw last time. Yeah, sure. Here, hold this. Alright, I'll show you. You can see one. I don't see the schools that were here last time. Do you see it? It's a big one. I don't know where those massive schools are that were here before. There's one over there. There's one over in the corner there. I don't know if you can see that orange over in the corner. It's in the reflection. Anyway, let's see if I can catch something here. I don't see the schools of goldfish like last time. I'll be back. Wow, there's a white one right in front of me. See it here? You see the white one? Oh, it's got a little orange and tip of black on its head. Look at that. It's about a foot long too. And it's going into the sun. Oh, look at that. That is a beautiful big goldfish. Let's see if I can get a shot of it over here. Oop. Yeah, there it is. There it is. Let's see if I can catch it. I doubt it. Oh, look at this massive school. All right, Dave, I'm going to do what you said. I made a little cereal. Look at this. It's not as big as the schools we saw last time. Oh, here they come. Here they come. Here they come. They're all about a foot long, folks. Look, there's fantails mixed in with regulars. Oh, man. I saw one rise earlier. All right, I'm going to get the bait out. Be back in a few moments. There's the white one over there. See it? See the white one right in there? All right, gotta go. And there's the other white one in with these. I couldn't get them on worms last time. I'm going to use cereal breads. All right.